Hello, welcome to the Kenneth for Cameron Law Office Legal Podcast, looking at default judgments and docketing your default judgment. So we bring civil suits, and what happens is the attorney prepares the complaint, they prepare the summons. In special civil part cases under $15,000, the summons and complaint is mailed by the court to the defendants by certified and regular mail. In the law division, it got to be served by a sheriff or by a licensed constable. In special civil part, the defendant has 35 days in which to file a written answer and pay the fee for filing an answer. If they don't do that in the 35 days in the court, the computer has, I call it a computer default. Then the plaintiff's attorney needs to prepare what's called an Affidavit of Non-Military Service. And they have to do this, look up on the Department of Defense website to confirm that the defendant is not in the military service, and then the Affidavit of Non-Military Service is sent to the plaintiff so the plaintiff can put down facts why the defendant is not in the military service. That is mandatory in New Jersey. It's a federal law in every state. Now, if it's a matter that it's easy to determine how much is owed, such as someone loaned someone money or someone's owed a specific amount, the attorney can prepare a certification of proof and attach receipts, cancel checks, etc. However, where it's not a specific amount, then there needs to be scheduled what's called a proof hearing. So what we do is we send in the Affidavit of Non-Military Service to the court, and we request the court schedule a proof hearing. Then the plaintiff has to bring in all their evidence. It's almost like having a trial. However, there's no cross-examination. There's no one on the other side. And the plaintiff has to prove to the judge why they're owed a specific amount of money. If the judge rules in their favor, they'll put down how much they believe is owed, and then the plaintiff, if it's in special civil part, if they know where the defendant's at in New Jersey, they can ask that their wages be garnished, or that items that they owe or own be confiscated, things sold. It becomes a big project. If they live out of state, then that judgment is taken to the other, has to be filed in the other state through their court system. So nothing is easy. There's information on website njlaws.com dealing with obtaining default judgments. And for representation in cases over $15,000, contact the law office of Kenneth for Cameron and Edison at 732-572-0500. Thank you.